Okay. I hope.
You need to take them clothes off.
Well, I look good. What's up, y'all? What's good? What do you do? What's up? What's up? So I ain't doing one of these good old pranks in a minute. Listen, Davey outside doing something with some music. I don't know, he outside doing something with some music, but you already know what's gonna go down. Baby, when I'm up on this thing and I'm kind of whispering or whatever, because I don't know when he's gonna come in. Okay, so y'all, I'm gonna do this acting ratchet prank on my husband to see his reaction, baby. Listen, your girl finna get so freaking ratchet, baby. I'm talking about hair, gloss, clothes, baby. I'm gonna get ratchet. Y'all gonna watch me get ratchet, okay? So if you new, baby, hit that subscribe button. Please turn on post notification. We're gonna wait. Turn on post notification. I'm waiting. I'm pausing for y'all. Scroll down, turn it on. Thank you, girl. Thank you. So thank you guys for turning on post notification because I already know y'all already did that, okay? So I'm gonna get ratchet for Davey. And those of you who are not new, hey y'all, I'm coming to y'all. I'm giving y'all a prank. Okay, I'm giving y'all a prank because y'all been missing these pranks, but listen, I don't know he gonna come in, but let me get started before this don't, you know, add up. This is, baby, let's just start with all the talking. Like, let me get ready. So I already got all my stuff laid out on the bed right here. Bam.
Moments later.
Okay, y'all, so he came in, but he didn't come back here. Your girl got a lollipop. I'm gonna be extra ratchet. Check out my outfit. I can't tell. Baby, hold on. Oh, wait. My glasses. Show my glasses. I'm waiting. Because, the extra baby. Oh my god. Y'all, I don't know why you playing my cam. He left this Gatorade right here on my dresser. And I told him stop leaving stuff up there. So honey, I'm gonna say, I'm like, you need to come get it. You need to come get it. No, Kayla, get it. Get now. Okay, I'm gonna call you now. Let's get a store, baby. Dave! Davey! Come here!
What, man?
Come here! What is this? Get this off my dresser now!
What's wrong with you?
Get this off my dresser!
What the fuck wrong with you?
Get this off my dresser. I told you I'm leaving it on my dresser. Right now! Right now! Get that from up there. I'll go put it in the kitchen. Right now!
Yeah, what's wrong with you?
I think that's a stove.
Let's go by.
Go put it in the refrigerator.
This shit for later, man.
Go put it in the refrigerator and get it out my dresser.
It's for later.
Go get it and put it in the refrigerator.
Whatever, man.
Right now.
Whatever, man.
Go. Stop, hurry up. And I'm finna go to the store. I look good, right?
Yeah, you better take that shit off.
Who you talking to? You need to get out of my face. Like, get out of my face. Go put that in the refrigerator. Why you sitting over there on my dresser? Go and put that in the refrigerator.
You better take that shit off.
No, I'm taking my outfit off. I look good. Chill, Nene. I ain't got nothing on these right here, huh?
I don't know what the hell you talking, what you drunk. Man, you better take that shit off. You ain't going nowhere looking like that.
Why? I'm good. Say Nene can't touch this. Say Nene can't touch this.
What the hell wrong with you?
Say Nene can't touch this.
The nene is above that.
Oh my goodness. Really? Really?
I don't know where I'm with you. I'm going back out the door.
What you doing out there? Like, is you looking for motherfuckers? Like, who you looking for outside? who you looking for outside? Why you go back outside? I'm in here.
Why is you acting like that?
What is you doing outside? You need to come in here because we supposed to be watching a movie.
Why is you acting like that?
You need to come in here because we supposed to be watching a movie.
Why is you acting like that? You pissing me off.
And I pissed on you, boy. Play with me.
I put this back over there for later.
No, look at him. Now, go. Boy, go put your little drink in the refrigerator, okay? You want some? Sight, you can. Oh, Lord.
I don't know what's wrong with you, but you pissing me off.
Okay, so what's a movie? Where's my remote? You lost my remote. Where's my remote? I can't go to a movie. Let me turn the TV on. Okay. I hope.
You need to take them clothes off.
Well, I look good. Okay, it's on. Go to a movie. Use the remote on the phone or something. What's on? It's good.
Let's show my face.
So you finna watch a movie?
No, man. I'm not watching a movie.
We finna watch a movie player. We finna watch one right now.
Now, why is you acting like that?
What? I'm gonna fix that pattern. You can't hear me? You can't hear me? You can't hear me? Let me call the police, cause I don't have, don't pay me, little boy. Don't pay me, little boy.
Give me my phone, man.
Sit down. Move. Sit down.
Give me my phone.
Go to a movie.
Alright, get my phone so I can.
I'm gonna go through it. You sit down. What's wrong with you? Shut up. Let me see how I go to a movie. Let me see. Okay, there we go. Hold it up here. And tomorrow I'm gonna have a great lollipop because
Give me my phone,
sit
man.
down somewhere. Okay, now pick a movie. There go the remote. Pick a movie.
Your mom got the damn stupid.
Pick a movie.
Facebook don't got no movie.
No. Pick a movie right now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Why did you act like that? You really pissing me off.
That's cool. I'm gonna take you some pictures. Post them on my Instagram. Bad bitch, who gonna take this? Hey. No. Let me help you. Where my phone at? Like, where's my phone? Like, where my phone?
I don't know where it's at.
I don't know where it's at, whatever. My hair cute. My hair cute.
Why are you acting like this?
Like what? Is you mad?
No, that's just
Or
stupid.
not? What's that?
You just scratched.
Who you calling a stupid boy? Cause I will slap you. I will slap you. Who you calling stupid? Who you calling stupid?
Man, you better get out my face if I get mad.
Who you calling stupid?
Get out my face if I get mad, man.
Where my phone at? Where my remote at?
You lost the remote yesterday.
No. Let me take my glasses off of these. I don't know what you did with my remote.
You might need to put it back on so you can see.
I don't know what you did with my remote. But you need to find it now.
Listen now, you pissing me off now.
I will piss all you little boy. Don't play with me. You better go get your mama because I ain't the one. Go get your mama because I ain't the one, little boy. Now go. Find my remote. Get up and find my remote.
Pissing me off.
Get up and find my remote, little boy. Now.
You pissing me off.
What happened right here?
You just scratched me.
Oh, I did that. I'm sorry, baby. You know when you got a little long nails, you don't see them.
You better get them shitty fingers out my face.
So what is you doing? Or what is you doing?
I don't know, you took me all the way in for a damn bottle?
Yeah, I wanted out my dresser.
You could have did that yourself.
No. You put it on there so you remove it.
Well, I remember
Now we
that.
talking back to me because I ain't the one. I don't play.
Well, what you gonna do?
I don't play. You ain't never met a ratchet bitch like me. Period. Period, Pooh. Period.
You're pissing me off.
You hear me?
I'm about to go back inside because you're making me mad.
You hear me? You hear me?
What do you want?
Stand up. Now.
I'm not no little boy, okay?
Stand up, little boy. Right now. Stand up right
I'm
now.
not a little boy, okay?
Right now.
Oh, that's what?
Okay, little boy. I'm gonna call police on you, little boy, because I'm gonna tell you, little boy. Because you're pissing me off. Oh,
You know the number?
that's a bad bitch selfies.
You know the
Oh,
number?
let's go. Yep, 119. 119, baby. 119.
Alright, I'm going back outside because you pissing me off. So can I please get my phone back?
You can get the bag. Go out there and don't come back in my door.
No, that's where I'm going.
Go outside and don't come back in my door.
That's where I'm going.
Go. Go. Scat, do. Okay, y'all, so, y'all. Okay, the door just shut. He wasn't taking me serious. Because I be acting like this off camera sometimes, you know what I'm saying, just to joke around. But y'all, I'm gonna go get him. And let me tell him, I was pranking him. I was doing the, what is this, the, Ratchet prank. Lollipop is good. So good. Okay, so I'm gonna get him, but I will not be stepping outside looking like this. So y'all, I'm gonna call him back in here. I'm gonna call him back in here. Wait, let me go get him. Okay, y'all, so they're gonna come back in.
Really? Shut that damn lollipop down your throat.
So why you wasn't really paying me, like he wasn't paying me no attention.
I knew something was up with your goofy head. You ain't that ratchet.
What about? Alright, y'all, this time I'm gonna go off because I don't know what he talking about, but it's okay. Team Z in the comments, say Team Z.
Team Z.